bad stuff. Kind of like further stuff out your life, huh? All the bad things. You ain't get everything on detail, you know, it's bad with it, but that's a good start. This is on turbo mode. There's another data piece I have coming. It's gonna do a little bit by bit. What's the other one? I'm trying to plans, all the stuff. Look at this. All this chain inside. You get it out. So we'll catch up more. So I do this. The rest of the other stuff later. Greenworks brushless. Let's see. Let's see the driver look before and after. Okay. All right. God bless. Let's take a look. Gonna get up. This is the wall also. Okay. See the stain where the mark was here up there? Yep. Look at this. Let me give you an example. It's getting there.